Please give me some. Man, did you see that to the right? I would guess that would be. There are direct lines. It looks like panels. Okay, there was one right in the middle, a column. Please tell me that someone else sees this. I've been seeing it. I posted live videos to my... Hey, that looks like a little tornado. There's a tornado watch in effect. But I posted this to my Instagram account, and there are 50 or so flashes that show panels. Right there. Did you see that? On the left now. Direct straight line across the sky. And again, from the left. I'm working, this is a Samsung J7 Prime. I have no idea. I have no editing software. I have absolutely no idea. If the Gmail didn't have a reply bar, I probably wouldn't even be able to send one. I came across this record button one day and said, well, let me record something. There it is again. You can't tell me that you don't see that. Because that's cool if you don't. I'm gonna replay this. I don't have television cast. I can't send it to my TV, so I'm gonna watch it here and see what it is. See if you are seeing what I'm seeing. But I want one good one. One more good one. I'm trying to see something flying around up there, but unfortunately, I tried to call it down. Just give me another good one. Show me the other. Show me the panels real good. One good one. All right, to the right. I saw that one. Right to the right. I saw it. Arms are getting tired. There's one to the left. All right, I'm done. You ain't gonna show yourself? Scared? I'm not taunting God. Whatever's flying around up there. I should have came out earlier. I bet you it was so clear. But the rain was so bad, I'd have been soaked. Had to shut the windows and everything. So, anyhow, thank you for the show, Lord. Can I get one more? One more for the road? Oh, here comes the rain again. Here it comes. Oh, I might have to stay here. My arms are killing me. I can only hold them up for 3 minutes. There was another one to the right. The perfectly straight lines. There was one. Perfectly straight lines. What is going on? There's one to the left. It may be camera function. I don't know. It could be the camera. Alright, I'm going in. Okay, mamacita. I'm going in. Did I miss anything? I was distracted by a beautiful woman. Yep, there's a whole sheet of them right there. It's like a box of tin foil with the tin foil hanging out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Here it comes, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm getting wet. Oh, shit. I don't want that stuff splashing on me. It's disgusting. Can we get a show a little bit? Look at the rain, bro. It's pulsing to me from my left to the right. It's pulsing. It's not like a lightning flash. And I know you've had to see that. It's strobing across. Not all of them, but some of them. Well, I want to see. Uh-oh, something. A branch or something is breaking down the street. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not getting wet. Nope. I think the show's over. I think it's over. Of course, I'd like one really good one for the road. One good one for the road. We're at ridiculous proportions. There goes one right, left to the right, left to the right. I hope that this is catching all of this. It's dead overhead right now, man. Alright, there's one. Right, on the right. Alright, I'm about done with this. I mean, it doesn't prove anything. It doesn't mean anything. It just means that there is a creator. And we have issues with what was created. Look at this filth. Well, the other day anyway, something knocked on the bottom of my door. Right here. I was sitting there and something, don't know what, opened, knocked on my door. It's hot as heck. I can't have my window open. All right, let's see. Till 9 p.m. Take shelter. I'm high. I'm saying, take shelter. There's a tornado coming. I will be down Reading this week on Sunday. Unless I can get a ride earlier, then of course I would meet you earlier. Shit. He caught that shit like crazy. All right.